Hello everyone. So we are discussing previous year questions of the chapter evolution and the topic adaptive radiation. In today's session we are going to discuss a question which was asked on the CBSE board in different years in different forms. So the first type is short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE board daily examination 2015 and is also an NCERT question. So the question is explain adaptive radiation with the help of a suitable example. Next is short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE board daily examination 2015 and the question is what is adaptive radiation? When can adaptive radiation be referred to as convergent evolution? Give an example. Next type is short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE board daily examination 2015 and the question is explain the interpretation of Charles Darwin when he observed a variety of small black birds on Galapagos Islands. Next type is short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE board all India examination 2014. So the question is A part explain adaptive radiation with the help of a suitable example and B part cite an example where more than one adaptive radiation have occurred in an isolated geographical area. Name the type of an evolution your example depicts and state why it is so named. Next type is short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE board daily examination 2016 and the question is how did Darwin explain adaptive radiation and B part give another example exhibiting adaptive रेडिएशन. तो बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बताना है कि एडाप्टिव रेडिएशन क्या होती है और हमें उसके एग्जांपल्स बताने हैं और हमें बताना है एडाप्टिव रेडिएशन कौन सा इवोल्यूशन शो करती है. क्लियर? सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर. तो बेटा जो डार्विन थे एडाप्टिव रेडिएशन का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था बेसिकली डार्विन गए थे गैलापागोस आइलैंड. उन्होंने वहां पे जो क्रिएचर्स देखे उनमें बहुत ज्यादा डाइवर्सिटी देखी. उन्होंने देखा कि एक स्मॉल ब्लैक बर्ड थी जिसकी ही डेवलपमेंट हुई अलग अलग टाइप के क्रिएचर्स में. उन्होंने देखा इनकी जो नेचुरल हैबिट थी वो सीड ईटिंग बर्ड्स थी. नेचुरली वो सीड ईट करती थी पर उस जोग्राफिकल एरिया में जब धीरे धीरे चेंजेस हुए तो ये बर्ड्स अलग अलग अडेप्टेशंस में अडाप्ट हो गई. इन्होंने अलग अलग तरह की बीक्स को अडाप्ट कर लिया. कुछ इंसेक्ट्स खाने लगी, कुछ लीव्स खाने लगी, तो अलग अलग तरह की ये डेवलप हो गई. तो इसी को उन्होंने बोला अडेप्टिव रेडिएशन. यानी कि जब एक जोग्राफिकल एरिया में एक ऑर्गेनिज्म से अलग अलग टाइप के ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू चेंजेस, ड्यू टू अडेप्टेशंस, तो उसको बोलते हैं अडेप्टिव रेडिएशन. क्लियर बेटा? इन्हीं को हमने बाद में डार्विन्स फिंचेस भी बोल दिया था. क्लियर? उसके बाद हमें बताना था इसके और एग्जांपल्स. तो बेटा इसके और एग्जांपल्स हो जाएंगे ऑस्ट्रेलियन मार्सुपियल्स जो कि एक एंसेस्ट्रल स्टॉक से डेवलप हुए थे ऑस्ट्रेलियन आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट में, यानी कि सिमिलर ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया में. तो एक ही ऑर्गेनिज्म से अलग अलग टाइप के ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप हो गए थे. क्लियर? ऐसे ही बेटा प्लेसेंटल मैमल्स भी थे. क्लियर? सो द आंसर इज ए पार्ट. During his journey, Darwin went to Galapagos Islands. There he observed an amazing diversity of creatures. Of particular interest, small black birds, later called Darwin's finches, amazed him. He realized that there were many varieties of finches in the same island. All the varieties he conjectured evolved on the island itself. From the original seed-eating features, many other forms with altered beak arose, enabling them to become insectivorous and vegetarian finches. This process of evolution of different species in a given geographical area starting from a point and literally radiating to other areas of geography habitats is called adaptive radiation. Darwin's finches represent one of the best examples of this phenomena. And B part, another example is Australian marsupials. A number of marsupials, each different from the other, evolved from an ancestral stock but all within the Australian island continent. When more than one adaptive radiation appeared to have occurred in an isolated geographical area representing different habitats, one can call this convergent evolution because organisms from different ancestors are evolving to perform the same functions. Placental mammals in Australia also exhibit adaptive radiation involving in two varieties of such placental mammals, each of which appears to be similar to a corresponding marsupial. Example, placental wolf and Tasmanian wolf marsupial. Clear beta? So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.